Have you ever wondered how Hollywood actresses always look so radiant, full of energy, and years younger? While most people are stuck with exhausting jobs and frustrating diets, they've been using a simple, natural trick the pharmaceutical industry hopes you'll never find out about. It's called the pink salt trick, and it's changing everything. This method works with your body, boosting metabolism, burning fat, and eliminating bloating without extreme dieting or risky pills. At first, I didn't believe it. I had tried everything. Counting calories, expensive supplements, brutal workouts, nothing ever worked. But the pink salt trick, it changed everything. My energy went through the roof, the bloating disappeared, and the weight started to fall off naturally. My family noticed. My husband kept saying how incredible I looked. And the best part? It only takes 4 simple ingredients. No complicated meal plans, no overpriced products, just a natural way to support your body and finally release stubborn fat. The truth? It was never meant to be public. There's no profit in this for big pharma. But now, the secret's out. Hollywood has known for years, and now so do you. Click the link to discover the pink salt trick and take control of your weight before they try to hide this again.